Everybody, welcome to day 11 of the 100 Days of Junk Journal Pockets. We have passed 10 days already, so I hope you have caught my videos or Jovi's or both. So Creating with Jovi is also making pockets with me, alongside with me, interpreting it how she thinks it should look, and that is why it's so awesome, because you can interpret the instructions how you want them to work for you. Also, you can make the changes, make adjustments. So we've already done 10 pockets. We're on day 11. And day 11 is the hidden paper clip pocket. This is a really fun little pocket, little mini pocket that you can attach to your page in any of your junk journals. You could even do it for a gift card if you wanted to, and attach it to a birthday card. So however you want to use it. This is on page 12 in the booklet. The booklet is a digital printable that you can purchase on my Ko-Fi site. So go check that out. It's linked below. And we're going to go over what we need. Don't forget, it is Craft Your Stash Month still. So check out the August 1st video and enter to win some fun stash from me. All right. So materials needed. You're going to need a large paper clip. You can actually use any paper clip you want. It will stick out a little bit. So if you have a particular color theme, make sure you're using a paper clip that goes with that. Some scrapbook paper or book page. So I just picked a piece from my current kit, the Vintage Bits and Scrappy Delight kit, and it is cut 2.5 by 5. All right. Then you need some small scraps or embellishments for layering, however you want to embellish. Some glue, scissors, and however you want to use, if you want to use some inks. So we're going to get busy with this. It's really a pretty simple pocket. As you can see, this is 2.5 by 5. And we're going to take the small ends and fold them together. This is actually creating a little pocket for us. So we're going to fold that together, and then we're going to burnish that fold, which I seem to have lost my bone folder. I don't know what happened to it, so I'm just using my scissors. All right, so then you want to make sure it's even and make sure that you've got your ink where you want it. So I'm going to put a little ink here also so that it's at the bottom. Now you want to slide your paper clip. So I'm going to just use this blue one, and you want part of it to stick out in the back. So you want to push it a little bit in, but here, so that you can clip it to a page. I might flip it and put the short end on the inside and put the larger end on the outside. That might work better. Okay, so then we've got a little hanging out here, and then we've got our big end back here. All right, next you're just going to glue the sides together, and the top is going to become your pocket. So you'll have a little almost hidden pocket with your paper clip, and then all you have to do is embellish. So I'm going to take this little bit of lace and put it at the top up here to just add a little look to make it a little snappier with this fun lace. Then I'm just going to take some stickers. I have some pumpkin stickers, and I'm just going to put a couple pumpkins on here, kind of leaning into fall, as I mentioned to someone the other day. So we're just going to take another pumpkin, and we're just going to put one on. Let's put it up here. I like that. So we've got a couple pumpkins. I might add something else, but we'll see. And then really you can call it good. Your little pocket is up here at the top. So you want to make sure you didn't glue that down, and you just slide your little tags or embellishments in there. And then this will clip on a page. So for instance, if I was to put it in this journal, I could just take it and clip it onto the page like this. And then I have, not only do I have a little pocket, but I have my paper clip, and it's hidden, it's glued on the inside. So really fun, easy pocket to make. But have you ever made this type of pocket? such a cute example and a fun thing to do for day 11. So go over and check out Jovi, see how she interpreted the instructions, and have a great day. Enjoy making pockets.